Hello, my beautiful people. Hope you guys are good today. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be sharing this yummy egg and beef stew with you guys. So easy to put together and it's delicious. And these are the beef I'm going to be using for this recipe. And these are my spices and sliced onions. I listed it there for you guys to see. If you are using this recipe, just pour it in and added bay leaves. I put it together and I'm going to boil it in its own juice for the first 5 minutes. And these are the eggs I'm going to be using. Already boiled them. And as that is busy, I'm going to be rough blending my peppers and tomatoes and onions. And this is the meat. My meat is completely cooked. I didn't add water anymore because it has a lot of water, and I'm going to be air frying this meat. You can use oil to fry your beef if that is what you want. Just added sunflower oil to my pot, and I'm going to be frying these sliced onions. I used red onions for these 2 large red onions. Fried it for 1 minute and I added tomato paste. Fried the tomato paste for 5 minutes, added crayfish and curry powder, put it together, fry it 1 minute, then poured in my rough blended peppers, onions and tomatoes. Then I'm going to fry this together for 10 minutes until that slappy tomato paste is not there anymore. Then I poured in my stock from the beef, added 1 stock cube, nutmeg, salt and curry powder. Put it together, let it cook and taste for seasoning. So yummy. And these are my beef already fried. Just pour them in. And I'm adding my eggs to it as well. You have to peel your eggs, peel the shells out of it. See, that is my stew. It's so easy to put together, and this stew came out so so yummy. Cover it to cook 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add a little bit of spinach. Then let it cook 1 minute. Then the stew is ready. And I hope I make this stew as easy as possible for you guys. That is the purpose. And thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to share. Please help me to share and like